Okay. So, normal materials, just like normal materials, they don't have any specific qualities. They just stay there. But smart materials is that if, let's say, I give some input to this device, yeah, let's say that temperature input or electrical input or a magnetic field, it will behave in a certain manner. This material will not, because it's just plastic. But then there are materials, for example, piezoelectric materials. If you give them current, they're going to vibrate.
Yes.
And that's happening because there is a contraction and expansion going on inside. There are several layers, and then there is charging, discharging, and things like that. So if you attach these materials, let's say, to a surface, that surface is also going to vibrate. So what we do with these materials is that we can actuate various surfaces where vibration is required. So that is one type of a material. Then there are electroactive polymers, which if you give current, they are going to take a certain shape. Again, there is an ionizing and deionizing going on in the process. And then there are, for example, shape memory alloys, which if you heat, if you give them temperature input, they are going to change their shape. So there is a process involved, how you train them to take that shape, but there is a phase transformation in the lattice structure which is going on, which causes a change in the shape. So there are many such materials. If you actuate them through electricity, through temperature, through magnetic field, they will behave in a certain manner. And then my professor at IIT Kanpur, Dr. Vishak Bhattacharya, he has NPTEL courses on smart materials. And it's a very basic course that you can take, and it's very easy, very simple course for first year BTech student. They can also take and understand that. So you can also take it without taking the exam, just for the awareness part. It's on YouTube. You can, yeah, just go on YouTube, look for that. I also was a teaching assistant for that course. So I know that it's a very simple and very easy to understand course. So those are smart materials. Then smart manufacturing is a little different. So have you heard of Industry 4.0?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So when you talk about Industry 4.0, you talk about involving humans and robots and all the collaborative techniques in the manufacturing arenas. So that's what smart manufacturing is, that the manufacturing line, let's say, it's able to take its own decision that, okay, is this part good? Is this part bad? Should I throw it away? So human involvement is reduced. It is there, but it is in a more smart manner. It is only to supervise things. It's not directly using. So there is a lot of reinforced learning and artificial intelligence involved. That's what smart manufacturing is. So when we say smart manufacturing pilot line, we are saying that, okay, everything is being done not automatically, completely, but to an extent. That's what smart manufacturing is. There are more robots involved and more artificial intelligence involved, vision um, systems to for image processing. Then there are robotic pick and place arms, things like that. Not just that, but it goes beyond that, but it's just a basic idea of what it is.